folks, Tony here. Gonna identify some more perennials with you. This is lamb's ear. Gets like a silvery color to it. Does not have blossoms on it yet. This is a primrose, or a sundrop they call them. They get yellow flowers on them. This is Painter's Palette. This will get stalks with red, little teeny weeny red flowers on it. This is coriopsis. Coriopsis gets a yellow flower on it. This is a rose of Sharon plant. They get several different colors of flowers on them. They get quite tall, like 8 feet. This is Pink Princess Weigela. This is a bush. Gets probably about 8 feet tall. This is Wine and Roses Weigela. This has like a reddish colored leaf and pink flowers. Gets about 8 foot tall.